Chest sign and symptoms, chest pain. Chest pain. Here, chest indicates the front of the chest. A pain in the area is usually due to either the heart or lung channel and always denotes a full condition, even though this itself may derive from an underlying empty condition. Chest pain can be differentiated according to its character. A fixed, pricking, stabbing, or needle-like pain indicates blood stasis. Chest pain accompanied by feeling of distension of the chest itself and the hypochondrium indicates chi stagnation and is usually accompanied by sighing and irritability. An intermittent chronic chest pain that comes and goes also indicates blood stasis, but suggests an underlying empty condition of Qi or Yang deficiency. A stabbing or pricking chest pain indicates blood stasis affecting the heart channel, especially if it radiates down to the left arm, and this often occurs against the background of heart-yang deficiency. It falls into the category of chest painful obstruction syndrome. Chest pain accompanied by cough with expectoration of profuse yellow sputum is due to phlegm heat in the lungs and may be seen in acute lung condition such as bronchitis, pneumonia, or pleuritis. A chest pain in a large area of the chest together with a cough, breathlessness, and a red face indicates lung heat. Chest pain extending to the hypochondrial region may be due to damp heat in the liver and gallbladder channel. Pain in the heart region on the left side of the chest indicates either heart blood stasis or phlegm obstructing the heart channel. Chest pain extending to the upper back is usually due to phlegm or blood stasis. Treatment: chest pain from heart blood stasis, acupuncture pericardium 6 and stomach 40. Chest pain from phlegm, heat in the lungs, lung 5, lung 11, and stomach 40. Chest pain from lung heat, lung 5, and large intestine 11. Chest pain from liver chi stagnation, gallbladder 34, and triple burner 6. Chest pain from damp heat in the liver and gallbladder, acupuncture, gallbladder 34, triple burner 6, RAN 9, spleen 9. Chest pain, our summary. Heart blood stasis, stabbing chest pain. Phlegm heat in the lungs, chest pain with cough and profuse yellow sputum. Lung heat, chest pain with cough and breathlessness. Liver chi stagnation, distending chest, and hypochondrial pain. Blood stasis with underlying empty condition. Intermittent chronic chest pain. Damp heat in the liver and gallbladder, chest and hypochondrial pain with feeling of heaviness and sticky taste. Thank you for your attention.